Hi, I'm Leather Rokk. Welcome to my channel. Oh, I have some groovy news for you. I'm about to do an unboxing of my very first Apple product. I am finally in the Apple Club. For years and years and years, I've coveted the Apple products, but they've always seemed out of reach to me because they're really expensive and you can't add to them and you don't have enough ports and all these things, but mostly they're really expensive. But look what I just got. Ooh. Now don't laugh because it's not new or anything. Now I took the liberty of actually opening it up earlier just to take some of the packaging out. What I just treated myself to is a refurbished old Ipad 4. Okay, so it's obviously not recent. And they packaged it with some extra cardboard and they folded it up so that it was really, really sturdy in this. And USPS delivered it. And this came with a cord and the thing that plugs it in. Now, I have a good friend who films with iPads, and he takes beautiful pictures with them. And the only thing is that his is an older model also, but his is not as old as this one. He did say in recent years the battery was no longer holding as long a charge as it did initially. But that's the only problem he really has. Now, the one thing with this, though, this is only 16 gigabytes. And we know that video and pictures take up a lot of room. So, this is not going to be something that I'm going to be able to make real long videos with. And I'm going to see just what it has here. This, as far as ports go, this slot here and this thing here, and this here, it does not come with an instruction book or anything. I'm going to have to, oh, and there's something in the back here. Maybe that's a camera. And there's a hole here, and there's, I guess that must be a camera there. But then this looks like a camera here. But then this looks like a camera here. Can you tell this is brand new? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm so stoked. Now, this week, I made 2 orders. I made a Wish order, and I made a Temu order. And these were not luxuries for me. These were all things I found that I really needed, well, with 1 or 2 exceptions. Because I found some purple hair dye, and I found another device, which I don't know how long it's going to take for that. This came really fast. Usually with Wish, you're expecting maybe a month to slow boat to China. But this, now I would really love to plug this in and see what it actually does. But the thing is, right now, the plug's over there, I think. See, I would like to be able to show you this. I have a power strip that my TV's plugged in, and because it's a cable TV thing, it's got other things that go with it that plug it in. Now, I don't know what I'm assuming I'm going to all of a sudden get myself an Apple account and all that shebang. And now one of the things I'm interested in is if Apple offers free cloud storage, because if that's the case, then I can use this to film with, and it can be in the cloud at least for, I think I heard that they give you up to 5 gigabytes, which is not very much. Now, the other device that I have that I'm expecting in the mail, which could be weeks from now, is a children's tablet, and that is expandable to 128 gigabytes, and I actually ordered 2 cheapo different brands of 128 gigabyte cards so that at least one of them has to be good enough. And these will give me other options as far as filming goes. I'm sorry it's crinkling so much. I love the pink cord. And one thing, I won't ever confuse this with all the other cords. I have so many cords. I have a little digital camera, and I have a camcorder. You've probably seen them before. And I can't find, among the whole mess of cords that I've amassed through the years, I'm not sure which cords go to them. And I can't figure out how to use them because the instructions are really translated so wonky. I showed them to my mother, and she looked at me like I was on drugs. And it was really, see, this is what the charger looks like. Fast charging adapter. Okay. I thought real Apple things had real Apple things on. I don't know. I really have no idea. Figure out where you plug it in even. Oh, okay, this thing here I think is where you plug it in. Okay, and the fine print here says iPad. And you know what? I think I better put these glasses on so that I could see the fine print. Oh, you know what I hate about these glasses is it's very hard not to rip my hair. You know, they need to make special glasses for braids, I think. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Model 1458. Complies with the Canadian specifications. Okay, so I guess that kind of proves that it's supposed to be genuine. Now, the thing is, if I pull this plug here, you're not going to see this bright light here anymore. But if that's not going to be a problem, okay, ooh, it's glowing. I can't believe I got an apple. I got my first apple. You know, when I was thinking about doing this video, I actually went in the fridge and I wanted to see if we had any apples. I was going to do an intro biting into an apple and stuff, but we didn't have any apples, so my mom ate them all. Oh, I'm so stoked. Well, this is not going to be a long video, and it's obviously, since this is my brand new device, I'm not going to be giving you any kind of a performance review or anything. I don't have the kind of tech capability to be able to do something like that. And matter of fact, I don't know how much time I'm going to really have to play with it because this is still my main working machine. But at least I can, so from now on, for the time being, I'm going to continue to produce with this laptop. And when I get the other device, I'll let you know. Because all the things that I am getting in the mail now are things that I really need either to make sure that I keep my channel going. Because it used to be, if I had my main filming thing went on a fritz, then I'd be screwed. And I want to make sure that I still have ways to keep on creating content and things. And plus I have some real exciting things coming up, hopefully, and I need to get prepared for that. So, welcome to my new Apple. Okay, now one thing I noticed before I close this, I noticed it no longer is showing the light anymore. I don't know what that means. I don't know where I'm supposed to touch or anything. But I guess I'm going to have to play around with it. And I probably should leave it alone for a full day or something, even though it says fast charging stuff. Alright, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.